Hi, it's Jamie with UK Extension, and today we're out in the vegetable garden and we're talking about something that's maybe not a traditional vegetable, but certainly something that is well appreciated and loved by many of our residents, and that is asparagus. This time of year, it's always so nice to have any kind of fresh produce straight from the garden, and as you know, in April and May there's not a lot that we've planted that's ready to be consumed, but asparagus is one of the first vegetables you can get out of the garden in the spring. It's also a perennial vegetable. So this bed of asparagus that was put in as quick as last year, this is 1-year-old crowns that we planted last April, and they have to go in the ground. They're very easy to grow, relatively pest-free, and it's one of the kind of no-brainer crops you can grow, but because it is perennial, you need to leave it some space, and it's going to be there for up to 30 years. So long productivity. Now this first year, we're not going to harvest these spears very much. We can harvest lightly, just a week or two of picking some of these to try. In the second and third year, we can start to harvest a lot more asparagus. And if you fertilize your bed, keep it healthy, let the fronds grow after the plants are harvested for a period of time, this can keep producing for many, many years. So this is the actual spear, or the portion of the plant that we are going to eat, and after we stop harvesting, these spears will grow up into what are known as asparagus fronds. So after harvest, your bed is going to be a good 6 feet tall. The fronds will kind of splay out and try and fall over if they don't have some sort of support. So it does need a fair amount of space. But if you can provide that space, maybe not right in the middle of your vegetable garden, but mine is outside of the garden, just along a fence, and I do almost nothing to it. Asparagus is very easily grown. So here we have a traditional all-male variety. Here is a purple variety, and the purple is wonderful. I believe this is Pacific purple. The purple actually, for those of you who aren't familiar with it, has a slightly higher sugar content and a little bit less fibrous stalk, so it's crisper and crunchier. So if you're interested in perennial vegetables and you have the space for something really delicious and nutritious that'll come on very early in the spring, think about planting a bed of asparagus. It's pretty tasty stuff.